Good afternoon, neighbors of Mare Nostrum. We will talk about ICZM practices in Turkey and regional potential for Thrace. Mediterranean is a large territory. There are larger number of countries, a large number of sectors. This is a huge area. For instance, our writer, Alexandroupolis, Alexandroupolis fisherman, says sixth continent Mediterranean. He wrote about it. And at the base we see Mediterranean map of Thrace is an Ottoman Empire, dated 15th century. Thank you. We will cover ICZM fundamentals, application tools and methods within Turkey, and the regional potential for Thrace, Thrace Municipalities Union, and its approach to ICZM. Most of us know about ICZM methodology, approaches, and sustainable development and participation is most important part of that. The fundamentals of ICZM have been expressed by the Barcelona Agreement. Turkey has participated in the renewed Barcelona Agreement as of 2002. The correspondent of Barcelona Agreement in Turkey is Ministry of Environment and Urban Planning, Special Planning General Headquarters. But Turkey has not participated in the ICZM or Mediterranean, the last protocol of the 7 protocols. The common results of international strategical documents and national experiences. This is a multi-sectoral, multidisciplinary, multi-geographical system. Participation of interested parties and public involvement is so important. The ICZM planning and with an action plan. In fact, action plan is not an end. It is the commence of sustainable endless process. Turkey's official position within European Union and European Parliament, Mediterranean ICZM scope. Turkey has participated in the renewed Barcelona Agreement of 2002. I'm sorry. As far as the ICZM is concerned, the more of them, ICZM needs a peaceful environment. But we all have some problems, contradictions, and participations. The main approach should be peace. Application tools and methods in Turkey. ICZM coherent ministries is culture and tourism, natural resources, water management, transport and maritime affairs. But in Turkey, the governing ministry for ICZM is the Ministry of Environment and Urban Planning. The organization chart gives that ministry like that. Spatial Planning Headquarters, and we have Coastal Zone Planning Directorate, and according to 4 regions, have 4 departments. Regions coincide with the sea, for our 4 seas. About more than 40 years, we have constitution and coastal legislation in Turkey. Sometimes it may be changed, but more than 40 years, our coastal zones is sure to be open to public and conserved. There was the following closely file is critical turning point in coastal property relations in 2006. It is said coastal area is owned publicly, but some people had lots over there. They have land over there, but the Turkish government cancelled some of private ownership on the coastal zone, and some people gone to European human rights courts. Finally, land has been confiscated and the deed annulled without any payment due to the location being within the coastal zone. But the European Court of Human Rights had become to decision at 2006 that the Turkish Republic has violated property rights and must pay the estimated cost of land, 26,000 euros. The judgment is based on the satisfaction to injured party. The European Convention of Human Rights, Article 41, is on that. Upon this judgment, Turkish Supreme Court of Appeal issued a complementary judgment. Land within the coastal zone could be publicly owned, but should be paid. The ministry leading the ICZM projects, integrated coastal zone management planning projects by Ministry Environment and Settlement, Artvin, Samsun, and so on, in our 4 surrounding sea. These projects are published on the internet page of Ministry. They are open to the public. This is a sample of one of them, integrated coastal zone management and planning project for region. But we see 2 arguments, zone management and planning. This is a broad approach for coastal zones. Another sample for Izmit Bay in Marmara Sea, but that was project was debated and go to the court. The ex-Minister of Public Works and Settlements issued İzmit Bey ICZM project. The project is completed in 2008. There is another project, SPCOSA, European Union Integrated Project, aimed to create a self-evolving operational research approach framework for the assessment of policy options for the sustainable management of coastal zone systems. That project is made Scientific and Technological Institution of Turkey. This is the 18 projects of SPCOSA. This is from SPCOSA's project, İzmit Bey. And the ministry preferred the ICZM project of İzmit Bey to approve as a special plan. Coastline general planning and management for İzmit Bey. But there are still principal plans for that area. Then the Chamber of Architectural Engineers has taken to the court 1/50,000 scale İzmit Bey general plan, coastline and surroundings. The Supreme Court, Administrative Court, decided to cancel this plan. The basic reason of cancellation is general coastline plan is ICM based. It is not inspecting all the local related plans in question and making modifications accordingly. It is far from establishing coordination between different scales of plans and planning stages. That was true because spatial plans are, and ICM is different types. This is an instance showed us the difference between zone management and physical plans. Now I will talk about some regional developments. Trakya Kent is a union in Thrace. They are preparing an internet portal, All Thrace Androupolis portal. This is Trakya Kent's internet project and supported by Thrace Development Agency. With this, will cover the 72 members municipalities of Trakya Kent. The information about settlements will be gathered under one headline. The local governments will be provided technological programs and other technical assistance. With this project, the main target is to increase the number of visitors by 20%. So, we see a regional potential for Thrace, but not only nationally, also internationally. 3 countries, Bulgaria, Greece and Turkey. 3 municipal unions, Trakya, Police and Trakya Kent. Ongoing cross-border relations and activities. An environmentally compatible sector, tourism. European Union project contribution and financial funds. Turkey governmental contribution. And let us see what is Trakya Kent and the working scope.
Thanks to Mr. Akay. Yes, I would like to give some info about Eastern and Western municipalities from Thrace region. This union, Turkey Kent, was established in 2000 and it is the first official organization to provide cooperation between Turkey and Europe on local administration level. It was established by participation of 20 municipalities, but now Turkey Kent has 72 municipalities in Thrace region and is active in 5 provinces, Istanbul, Tekirdağ, Kırklareli, Edirne and Çanakkale. You see Thrace region is sea-locked zone. It's surrounded by seas, 3 sides is surrounded by seas. On south, Marmara Sea, on north, Black Sea. Our goal is to strengthen the local authorities and democracy through development of cooperation and solidarity among municipalities. I said we was established in Thrace region of Turkey and we believe that Turkey will get great benefits by transforming its very historical and humanitarian relations with Europe and Balkan countries into an international cooperation, and we have performed many activities related to the cooperation with border regions to combine and extend partnership activities with European Union Council and other international organizations. And now Turkey Kent is willing to perform some projects on ICZM. I said is surrounded by seas and sea-locked zone and has been uniting Anatolia and Europe. Thrace has a very rich history, as Professor Thomas said, is prominent with its industry. We has a historical cooperation for cross-border development stretching back over nearly 30 years. Today, Turkey enjoys a key role in cross-border cooperation. We have implemented lots of projects which were previously only proposals in line with the requisites of modern city administration. We are creating projects in Thrace region, and these successful projects are rewarded by many important institutions in Turkey. You see some titles. These titles are our main study areas. We are creating projects under these titles: environment, agriculture, spatial planning, tourism, culture, education, research, economy and employment, health, social services, border, population, transportation and communication, working together during disasters and emergencies. We are performing projects on these titles, and members have begun to gradually increasing access to municipal services via the union. It also enables us to decide how and where we should take our services and what our priorities should be. And now our priority is ICZM. We are representing our member municipalities in various national and international platforms. We are their voice and protect their rights and interests. We encourage them to develop cooperation with border regional municipalities. We carry out activities related to cooperation with border regions. And now we are waiting on the outcome of several projects that have been submitted to European programs for consideration. Yes, tourism and environmental implementation working groups have been working hard on several projects. As you know, cross-border cooperation isn't easy. It involves a long process for building trust and cooperation. And Zekai Akay is working hard to success and trying to creating projects. We are active three main file training activities on local governance, European Union international relations, and projects and cooperation with the second title, overseas contact and study programs. We have protocols with regional associations from Bulgaria and Greece. Ram-Trakia is from Bulgaria, Thracepolis is from Greece, and Turkey is Thrace. We have dual protocol with Bulgaria and Greece, and also trio protocols. Via these protocols, cross-border cooperation, partnership with European countries, useful national and international projects, cultural relations with Balkan countries have started in our region. Yes, we have some memberships or partnership with international associations. The biggest one is, maybe some of you know, the Association of European Border Regions, AEBR. We are creating some projects with this association. Yes, I would like